So many of you guys told me that Madhu, you need to make a video on the studio. Oh my god. So finally it is here, and I'll be taking you guys to the entire process, like from the coloring to bringing in the furniture to setting it up. I hope you guys like it. First and foremost, we began with the very basic, that is coloring the walls. I went for crisp white and then started in with the process of making the vanity. Like I literally designed the entire vanity. Boom! That's how the mirror turned out. Like I completely fell in love once it was done. I literally handpicked each and every single item, like from the lights to the frames that I've added in all the showcases and everything. I try to keep it as minimal as possible because I do not want to clump in too many stuffs together. People who follow me on Instagram already know about it, but this is for all you guys who are new to my channel. Yes, I do take up appointments now and then for party makeup and bridal makeovers. So yeah, if you want to book your appointment, DM me right now on my Instagram page. Move on to the main part, that is setting up the makeup. Yes, setting up the makeup can get a little stressful, but then guys, it'll be easier if you guys use compartments like small trays or something to keep, like suppose the concealers, the eyeliners and everything separately, or else it's gonna get really messy. And some candles can never go wrong because candles are very, one of my favorite things. So yeah, some candles. And that's how I got this room from drab to fab, and I love it. This is like my space. I hope you guys like it, and I hope this is gonna help few of you out there who have always wanted to have a studio like this. So yeah, see you for now. Bye.